Here it goes. Oh my gosh.
That was a good one, brother. It probably needs gas. You've been joyriding it.
There's the reactions.
All right, y'all, the plan in today's video is to get Puddin to bath. That sounds bad. But this 1968 Ford F100 has not been on the road in 17 years, and we do believe that it was even years before that it was not on the road. It was tagged, it was insured up to 2003, 17 years ago. Well, today, I know since we have owned it, since my dad has owned it, it has not gotten a bath. I'm sure you can see that. We scrubbed the front windshield like a little bit. But we're gonna give it a walk around. We're gonna give it a kind of a once over and look at it. It's not gonna be detailed. I don't think this truck can be detailed, but we're gonna try to clean as much of the moss and rough off of it as we can and just see what she'll look like after we get that done. I don't know if this will be enjoyable, but for me, I'm gonna find how many vent holes this truck has. I'm sure I'm gonna find a few extra when I put the pressure to it. I might have a little weight reduction after this. It may go faster. All right, let's see in this video. All right, y'all, here's Puddin. If you look, you can tell she's dirty. If we get up close, it's got this moss here, whatever this stuff is called, all on the sides, so hopefully pressure washer can get some of that off. Of course, it's got a lot of holes. It's got a lot of nasty. If you look over into the truck bed, I'm gonna have to put glasses on. I've already swept this out over there. So we're gonna get all the bed somewhat cleaned. Put some PB Blaster on this to make the hinge work better, and it does. All right, so just giving you a walk around of the truck. Of course, I know I've got some vent holes like that, and that, and that. The interior of the truck, I may vacuum it out. I may leave it as is and just clean the windows, so the inside may not get cleaned. The engine compartment. All right, we're gonna pause and we'll come back to the engine compartment. All right, here's the engine compartment, and we have to throw a lot of stuff away. I'm probably gonna vacuum some out. And then we're going to try to degrease with some purple power and kind of see what we can get to come out of the truck. No telling what. All right, y'all, so first, I think I'm gonna vacuum all of the rust and particles out of the engine bay, put some degreaser on it, and then we'll get the pressure washer set up. Oh, here's the 12-gallon shop vac, wet and dry portable blower. This shop vac actually came from a yard sale, $5. Many of you may know, some of you may not. We love, Nikki T, my wife and I, we love yard sales. We sell on eBay, so we go to yard sales all the time, and sometimes we find stuff that we keep. This one was a keep, so we're gonna let it suck up a lot of rust out of the engine compartment, probably some rat turds, probably some acorn shells and different type stuff like that. So we're gonna get all this out of the engine bay, and we'll show you how it sucks. Trash, what? That's just eating years of rust out of the hood. Look at that, arrows. Look. There's something oddly satisfying about that. Oh, acorn clogged me up. Look at that. got this little clog here. All right, y'all, one of the things that's very important, this is the first wash Ole Puddin's had in about 17 years. The engine compartment, I can guarantee you it's been longer than that. One of the things I want to challenge you with, though, is whenever you wash the engine compartment, you've got to be very careful. What in the world? You got to be very careful where you spray, because if you spray areas that shouldn't be sprayed, it can be really bad. You don't want to do that at all, ever. Let's get to it. Oh, come on, it's Walmart rascal working like this thing's from Walmart. Come on, pressure. Sometimes you, about to say sometimes you gotta fuss at it, but don't even seem like that's working. There we go. Oh my, look at that. Get out of there. Get out of there. Right, y'all, I'm probably going to spray this again. It's hard to get a good look at that, but there's actually some blue on those valve covers that have come out, some few other specks of blue. So yeah, I have a little bit more cleaning I need to do, but I'm gonna let it dry for a minute, and then we'll start hitting the outside of the front. I'm gonna spray a little bit more of the cleaner and let it sit a minute, and then hit her again and see what else comes off. But not too bad. All right, y'all, here's the front of Puddin. Some of these are just vines that have grown into the clue what that is. kind of stuff in the bottom of the grill though. Hey y'all, watch this. Look at that. I'm sure the EPA would have something to say about that. Look at that. Oh, that is just gross. That, All right, I think I'm gonna have to get back there and spray this booger out. Now, it's ugly. There's still some bigger flakes that look like rock, but I think it's just where it's rusted into those holes like that. Because I don't think they are coming out. Not just big flakes of rust. But all in all, I think it did all right. The bed is somewhat clean, so I'm gonna get back to work on the rest of it and I'll show you an after picture. Wonder if Ole Puddin likes suds. Put a little scrub on her. Probably could do some more rubbing because she's most certainly gonna need it. But just to quickly hit this, and then I'm gonna pressure wash it, and let's see what she looks like. Y'all may not see it, but a lot is coming out. I don't know how much of this you can notice, but boy, come on, baby. A lot of this is coming out. Look at that. I don't really be able to tell until it dries, but Ole Puddin's gonna look all right. All right, y'all, I'm gonna give you a close-up. You probably can't tell all that much, but look at the color that is coming out of that, and it's still rusty, don't get me wrong. But she's coming out all right. Look at that windshield. Woo. Look at that chrome. You can see it? No, you can't. All right, look at all that. The bed, yeah, that top's come out all right. Now it's still wet now. That's what it was. That's what it was, and that's what it is. Now, when it dries, we'll really be able to tell. All right, everyone, I want to give you a reveal of Puddin. Now, I want to preface it by saying, this is a rusty 1968 F100. There is no one that can detail this truck. It's rusty. But I probably gained about 7 or 8 horsepower, probably 3-4 miles to the gallon, just about what I took off of it, just by pressure washing and getting a lot of rust off. So I want to show you, I'm going to turn it around and kind of show you the truck. I actually have some new parts I put on it, and I'll tell you about that right now. Dun, there she is. There's Puddin. All right, you may see the new badging that I just got in from eBay. It's used, paid $20 for those. Yep, there's the truck. She's still rusty, but she's a lot smoother than she was. Yeah, there's the bed of the truck. It's got some rust holes. It is still rust color. Look at them windows though. Woo! Yep, ready. All right. As we come around the back side, Ford came out a little bit on it. It was really difficult. I will show you some before and after pictures. It's gonna be bad and a little bit better than bad. But there she is. Puddin is up and going. All right, y'all, we thank y'all so very much for watching this episode of Puddin Getting a Bath. I've enjoyed it. It's been a lot more work than I wanted. If y'all saw the last video or a video upcoming, I don't know what order I'm going to release these in. My brake booster came in, and now I'm needing other parts because it's not the same kind of booster that I have, so blah, blah, blah. I hate it, but it is what it is. So we're gonna be getting that done and getting that installed here in just a little bit, and ever so grateful to have that part in. Now I need to get what I need so that I can make the part work. So I appreciate you for watching. Thank you so very much. Hopefully you're enjoying this build as much as I am. It is a revival, it is a restoration, it is a resurrection. So we're bringing this old girl back to life, and I'm ever so grateful for it. We appreciate you watching. I know no way of closing out these videos and saying deuces, and may God bless.